In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a loan in Zoho Books. Let's dive right in and simplify the process, shall we? First, we'll start by navigating to the banking module, which is where all the magic happens when you're managing your transactions. The banking module essentially acts as your central hub for all financial activities and provides an insightful overview of your different accounts. Once you're in the banking module, you'll want to pick the relevant bank account. This should be the account where the loan amount will have a direct impact. Selecting the appropriate bank account is crucial because it aligns your transaction recording with your actual bank activities, ensuring precision and accuracy in your bookkeeping. Now, after selecting your bank account, the next step is to click on the option labeled Add Transaction. This is a very handy feature that allows you to input any financial activities that aren't automatically synced, ensuring your records are comprehensive and up to date. Once you click on Add Transaction, you'll see an option called Deposit from Other Accounts. Go ahead and select that. Choosing Deposit from Other Accounts indicates to Zoho Books that you're recording a movement of funds from elsewhere, which in this case is your loan. It's crucial to have set up a liability account beforehand because you'll need it for the next step. A liability account in Zoho Books is used to track what you owe to others, like loans, for example. When you're in the Deposit from Other Accounts section, you'll see fields to fill out. Select the liability account you created as the From account. This step is telling Zoho Books that the origin of the deposit, your loan in this instance, is from an obligation you have, making it a liability rather than income. Now it's time to enter the date of this transaction. Make sure it corresponds to when you received the funds from the loan. Accurate dating is key to maintaining chronological order in your financial records, which ultimately supports accurate financial reporting. Following the date, the next field is the amount. Here, enter the total amount of the loan that you've received. Precision matters, so double-check this entry to avoid any discrepancies. Finally, after you have entered all necessary details, it's time to hit that Save button. Saving the transaction finalizes it in Zoho Books, updating your records and ensuring everything reflects the new addition to your liabilities. And there you have it. By following these steps carefully, you've successfully recorded a loan in Zoho Books. This process ensures your financial records remain current and precise, which is essential for accurate financial analysis and planning. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to review your entries regularly to maintain a clear and organized financial overview.